Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new PUR Quick Pro glitters. I have 3 of the 5 shades on me and I'm going to show you, I'm wearing them on my lids today, so I show you the application and then we'll just do some swatches and I will give you my final thoughts on them. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Like I said, I have 3 of the 5 shades. It does come in a set of 5. You cannot buy them individually. So this retails for $39 for the 5 glitters. And it says that it is a high pigment and high glamour glitter eyeshadow with a built-in primer that lasts without creasing or fading. The unique 3-in-1 formula can be used as a primer, eyeshadow base, and glittery top coat all in one. Use it for a glamorous one-and-done look or layer it on top of your favorite matte eye look for a head-turning update. The built-in applicator makes application easy for the girl on the go. So the colors that I have are this yellow gold, which is in the shade Queenie. And this is just a really typical gold color. It's a very traditional gold. And then I also have a rose gold color, which is in Namaste, and that's what I have on my eyelids today. And then I also have this like rusty cranberry color called Lust. So these are the 3 shades I have. Let's jump into some swatches of each of them so that you guys can see them. First we'll go in with Queenie, which is the traditional yellow gold. The packaging is really pretty. It's so tiny, which I think is really cute, and it just has the silver cap, and then you can see the color and the label at the bottom. All of them have the same packaging, and then so this is the yellow gold one. When you open it up, it just has this plastic applicator tip, and that's what the product is on. So swatching it, it's just so pigmented. As you can see, this is a very traditional yellow gold color. And then I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit for you so you can see that's what it looks like blended out. The next color I'm going to swatch is the rose gold in Namaste. Again, it has the same plastic applicator, and again, very pigmented. That's what this one looks like, and then I will blend this one out as well. They are just such high shine glitters. And then lastly, we will swatch Lust, which is the more cranberry shade. Again, with the exact same packaging. That's what this one looks like. I think this one is so pretty. All of them are really pretty. And then blending this one out. So this is what all 3 of them look like. I think they are so gorgeous. You get the 5 colors for $39, so basically $40, so they are $8 a piece around. The other 2 shades that I don't have are darker shades. Let me just pull it up really quick. There is Midnight Diamond, which is a charcoal color, and then OMG, which is a brown with a rainbow shimmer. So both of those ones are a bit darker. As far as packaging, I think they are gorgeous. As far as color selections, I also think they're gorgeous. I'm glad that they didn't include any like crazy colors, just because I think since it is sold in a set, you would want like your typical shades so that everyone would want to use them. I'm going to show you guys me applying it on my face right now so you can see how I apply them, and then we will be back. I think today I'm going to go with the rose gold, which is in Namaste, and then I also have my Tartelette and Bloom palette so that I can just use the rest of these shadows to complete my look. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a really big fluffy brush and just throw, I think I'm going to throw Smarty Pants, which is this shade, into my crease, just to give my eyes a little bit of definition before I put the glitter on. All right, and then I'm just gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna put it straight onto my eyelid. And then I'm going to blend that out with my finger. And I just want this to cover my entire eyelid. All right, and I'm just gonna try to look down. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye just so that I can give it a chance to dry. Okay, so this is what it looks like with just the glitter on it. It's super, super shiny and glittery. And now I'm just gonna go in with a darker shade in my outer V. I'm gonna go in with this color, which is Activist. It's just a dark brown. And I'm just taking it on a smaller tapered brush. And I'm just gonna put this right into my outer V just to add a little bit of dimension to this look. Now I'm just gonna throw on some liquid liner and mascara, and then we will do the lower lash line. I just finished up my makeup, I finished my mascara, and then I just blended out the lower lash line with Activist, which is the same color I put in my outer corners. So this is the finished makeup look. I feel like I started this video and I'm wearing this oversized sweater. It's Saturday morning, I'm like really relaxed, and now my makeup is like full glam, and I either need to change my clothes or wash my face, one or the other. But I do really like the way that this turned out. All right, so as you saw, I applied it with my finger. I just think that's the easiest way to blend them out, especially because it's a liquid. I will say that they don't crease at all. I like to keep my eyes shut. Like if I'm applying it, I'll just kind of keep my eyes like lowered so that they don't crease until they're dry. And then once they're dry, which they dry very quickly, they don't budge at all and they last all day. They're super pigmented, they're super glittery. I really love the after effect of them. There is quite a bit of glitter fallout, so if you don't like that, I'd be a little bit careful. I would just suggest doing your eye makeup before your face makeup. I always do my face makeup first, and especially since I was doing a video today, I did it first. But you can just wipe away the glitter aftermath once you're done with your look, and it's not really a big deal. But if you don't like fallout, I would just be careful of that. I think these are a great deal if you wear glitters a lot. But if you don't, then I think there's not really a point in buying them, just because $40 is kind of a lot if you don't like to wear glitters that often. I wear glitters if I'm going out at night, but I typically wear matte eyeshadow for the most part. I'm not as into glitter eyeshadow as I am into mattes. So I personally don't think that this set would be worth it for me, but I do think that they're absolutely gorgeous. These would be really pretty for fun party looks, for like New Year's Eve, which just passed, or just if you're going out at night, or if you just really love glitter shadow. One thing I do love about them, and I think that every shade is different, but I think that it's cool that you can just use like one of these, blend it out, and be done with your entire eye look. You don't have to wear multiple products, and there's not really many products that you can say that about. I like the applicator, and then you can blend it out with your finger. It's really easy to do your makeup on the go if you're only gonna use this one shade. I think that's super easy. So I think they're convenient, they're easy, they're much easier than like loose pigment glitters. Those ones are so much harder to use. I think these are way more beginner friendly. So yeah, overall, I think that they are really awesome, and if you are into glitters, it'd definitely be worth it, but if you're only wearing glitters once in a great while, it may not be worth your while. As always, I will link these down below in the bottom bar. I know that they're available at Ulta and on PureCosmetics.com, but I don't know if they're available anywhere else. I will check it out and link them down below for you. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down below in the comments, are you a glitter wearer, or are you kind of like a matte kind of a girl? Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite eye look is to wear, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.